Ever wanted to visually bring to life your interior design ideas like those home renovation shows do with those cool illustrated floor plans? If the answer is yes, then this class is right for you. Hi, I'm Isaiah Cardona, and I'm a designer with experience in property management. And I've worked with a lot of different kinds of properties, ranging from luxury apartments to homes and high-rise lofts. And being able to illustrate a floor plan has helped me redesign spaces and sell it to residents. Which is why this class is all about drawing a stylized floor plan of your dream bedroom in 5 easy steps. Throughout this class, I walk students through drawing techniques to speed up the drawing process and elevate your illustration, including color blocking and line work, and how to visually communicate different textures and materials. This class is perfect for beginners that want to learn how they can use Procreate to illustrate their own floor plan ideas. Let's get started.